This part of the HVAC system check is to determine the age and size of the condensing units for the systems. The first one we're going to look at, it was also manufactured in 2004, which makes it 12 years of age, and it is a 2-ton unit. The second one we're going to look at was also manufactured in 2012. And it is also a 2-ton unit. Both of the units appear to be working in normal serviceable condition at this time. However, based upon the size and age of these components, I'm going to recommend that you obtain a home warranty. 12 years is a very long time for air conditioning systems in the state of Florida. Normal lifespan is about 10 years.